Hello everyone guys, and today I will show you how to easily and quickly exchange USDT T20 into any currency of any country without commission. And before starting, I will ask you to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. Well, let's get started. I will show the example of Bank of America. As you can see, I use it. Now, let's go to ChatGPT and ask how to quickly exchange USDT into the currency of any country. And we see it is recommended to use Tron Cash Out app. This is exactly what we will use. Yeah. Next, we see information about what this site is for and how exactly it works. After which we can see below that ChatGPT describes step-by-step how exactly to make an exchange using the site in just 5 steps. And we see that you can use any countries and banks of any countries to exchange USDT coins. Okay, let's then move on to the exchange itself. And I will actually show you how to do all this using an example from your phone. And actually, I go to this site, Tron Cash Out app. You can see the name for yourself below. And so, what do we have here? We see that you can exchange 500 USDT into any currency. Well, there is also a huge selection of countries. It seems to me that there are almost all countries here. And next we see the payment methods, Visa or MasterCard, and many others. In my example, as I said, I will use Bank of America. And just below we see the exchange conditions. They happen in 3 steps, and we also see the exchange rate, the transaction fee, the cryptocurrency network, and of course, the approximate time of the transaction. Okay, a little lower, we put a check mark to agree to the rules of the service, and you can start the exchange. And a little lower, we see the principle of how the exchange works, namely, we are told that we sign a smart contract in which our funds are frozen until you receive payment according to the details that you have chosen well. That is, you receive payment and only then give yours USDT, which is generally quite convenient and, most importantly, safe. And we also see that there's a connection with the technical support of the site and contacts for communication. And now the most important thing, we need to connect the wallet from which we will make the exchange. I use Trust Wallet and recommend it to you. It is simple and convenient. We select the wallet, after which a window appears for connecting the wallet, and select it. And we see the smart contract itself. We sign it. We see that it is on the Tron network, which we necessary. After that, we see in the application and that we have connected the wallet and go back to the site. Okay? The connection is being checked and it's done. We have connected the wallet and we can make an exchange, and that's all. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel, and don't miss my next videos. Good luck.